How you guys going? I have videos that I haven't uploaded from when I went to the Cook Islands. So, you know guys, aliaisa contents. Yeah, mai mea ngai. Yeah, up and upload. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. It's gonna be on its way. I'm gonna upload it now, guys. Just for you, and you. Okay, bye. Good morning. Today is our first day in Cook Islands. As you can hear, that's the Cook Island alarm clock, that rooster crowing. So yeah, I'll show you a bit around here. There's quite a few mango trees, but I don't know. Well, there's no mangoes on a while. Not this time of the year, I guess. Being that it's June, mangoes are more like end of the year thing. Anyway, I'll show you around. And then back to me. Yeah, next door to where we're staying, they're building some unit blocks, like 8 of them I was told. This is why you can hear bang bang banging, because that's what they're building next door is units, because there's quite a few tourism coming into the Cook Islands. So they're all, you know, putting up these places to accommodate people they want to come over to the Cook Islands. Yeah, so we're just gonna get ready to head off and get our car from our niece. Yeah, because she works at the car rental place. So we're gonna go and say hello to her and get our car, and then we're gonna go to the Punana market and see what they got there. See my cap? I didn't bring me a sun hat. Well, we have to get ready to go to the market and get some breakfast. This is our accommodation that was booked for us, and it doesn't have air condition, but it's okay, I guess. Because we're gonna do what we have to do. And there's our little carport out there, and our water tank. And this is what we're gonna be cooking on. And I want to show you the air condition that Sharon said that we have. There we go, guys. Air condition that Sharon said that we have. 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 But we don't. And this is our TV on the wall. And our fan. So if we're really hot, we get that off the wall and kapow. Okay, so last night I ended up changing rooms because the other bed over there was a bit uncomfortable, but this bed, oh yeah, I slept like a baby. Yeah, okay, we better be off. There's even a cot here, and look what the lady made for us to greet us at the airport. Isn't that cool?
Is that enough for you?
Mm-hmm. That's too much. Does it shrink? If it shrinks like that redfish, I can eat it. But you'll have to rinse out that pot properly.
What?
The pot.
There's our dinner.
Yeah, from Jackie.
Auntie Jerry gave us a parish fish. And Geneva, if you can remember that day we were swimming in the Black Rock? These were the fish we saw. And Red saw it too. But we didn't catch it on the camera.
Be careful, don't get cut.
What did you do? You stabbed it?
I tried to chop it up.
Well, like,
Yeah, cheap knife.
we another plate. Yeah, big plate just took off.
Yeah?
You did yours?
No.
I don't know what airline is it, but there's another one. Buddy.
Gotta rinse it out. That's more than enough. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my beef stew. This is the beef stew I made and then gave some for Auntie Jackie and Uncle Ngere to enjoy.
Come and sit coconut cream.
A lot of Samoans here. Remember we came with like 4 Samoan ladies. Remember? And their child. And then when we were in Woody Market, there was 2 Samoan ladies there. And I don't know if that's the same ladies we came on the airport with.
Those were done.
Because there's a Samoan community. He told us that. There's a Samoan community here. Wasn't it Charlene that said it when we first came over? You should bake a big chunk so it doesn't come in my soup. It'll be everywhere. Just use half. Did you clean it up well? My father used to do this. So cool. We should get us to open our others. See, Daddy? Daddy, look. My father. That's what he used to do.
Okay, salt.
Salt's up there. And look at that gallo Auntie Jackie gave.
Taste?
It's purple gallo.
Yeah.
Purple gallo. No, is there such thing or does she just reboil it again?
You boil it what?
You know what? I'm getting boiled. I'll have that nice chunky one in there. I'll make it butter. Oh yeah, I want some pepper.
Oh what?
Yes. Gotta have a bit of pepper. Yeah, I'll just pepper mine.
Oh yeah, that will stay there too.
Okay.
Yeah. The coconut cream going in. Here we go. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, I'm going to turn off the gas, on the gas, right?
Oh, you turn it off?
I don't want this house to blow up. It's open. But just have it mild so it can simmer instead of boiling hot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Level for you and me, eh?
That's not simmering.
No, that's high.
Yeah. That's simmer.
Now that's it.
Yeah, that's a good simmer. But we can't forget about it, otherwise it will go curdle.
I think 20 minutes. Oh, that color, man. It's the yellow color.
But it's purple.
But it's chewy. No, the raw
Yeah.
chew. Man.
Oh well, they can either have it with rice, the food I made for them, because I gave them the rice.
I want to juice.
I think next time before we go to their house, we should rinse these bottles out and go and stop at the water thing, fill it up for them.
Maybe
and
this
take-
up here.
Yeah, and then drop it off for them.
Yeah. Oh, she asked if you're still here on Friday, can you, okay, I could be in the club now, but can you go pick them up and take them to church on Friday? No?
You're coming, you know what, you're doing that. Okay?
Don't put dirty things.
There's no way I'm picking anyone up. I can't even leave here to go to the shop.
Shop just up the road.
Yeah, and I won't even walk there because of those stupid dogs.
They're not vicious, eh?
Yeah, well they'll
See
smell
the one I
like here.
sent you? He just want to sniff and that's it. That's why I knew it. I knew it too, that's why I just said that. I knew this gonna come and sniff and go.
Well, I'm not something you come and sniff, okay? That one was for my lunch before.
Yeah. Why don't you sort out your thing over here?
No, it might be better there because they're keke or whatever.
Oh,
They're keke.
my the case.
Bloody keke kio.
No, eh?
That's the soft bit. Hiya.
You know this coconut?
Yep.
You know the base bit?
Yep.
This side. This side.
No.
Yeah, there.
Who do you think you're kidding?
I'm
I
telling
want
you,
the pie with
I
the
haven't
whole-
seen inside, but the sound of it,
It's
Yeah.
okay.
hey, darling, there's coconut everywhere.
There's coconut. There's like Neda said. There's no excuse why people should go hungry here.
Put a spoon in. Put a spoon the back of the spoon here.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Pick it up and see. But darling, no. When you eat, you put your finger in here.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, because the juice will run.
I was gonna do that. I was going
Put your
there.
rubbish in my thing.
But that's what you get for disturbing me.
Yeah, the coconut everywhere.
Oh, it's sweet in here. I mean, the juice wasn't sweet, but this is sweet.
Oh yeah, that bit is always sweet. No wonder people make niggy with that. See, Jackie, eh?
Mm.
The same. If you like, we'll go and grow some
Coconut.
after Nina's place. But I want Nina's dwarfs. Heaps of coconut on Danny. So there's a soda. I think it's sweet too, the one out there
Yeah.
was it? Yeah, see? Yeah, Danny. When you came a bit younger, at least 10 years ago. Rarotonga is alright for you, darling, isn't it?
Huh?
Rarotonga is alright for you.
Yep.
Yeah, and if we get our kids to come and visit us every now and again, it'll be alright.
I just want my little kids with me.
You know what? Those two will grow up and
Love you. It's a nice little breezy day today. Oh, I'm so glad we came in this weather. We should come in this weather all the time. Not the summertime. Oh, summer.